So we ended up just getting doors, and I know I cut all 3 of the doors for no reason. I cut all 3 doors. Well, okay, that one was for a reason. That door is fine. Because that door had to get put in. I cut the other 2 doors for no reason. Because I ended up replacing them anyway. And I hung them. I hung them for no reason and cut them for no reason. Just so
yeah, you did that while doing that. Lady.
Don't know why, but I'm here somehow, and you're already waiting. Right before you sat me down, I was counting the exits. I know what you will say. Looks like I'm listening closely. I didn't mean to say, maybe I'm out of my mind. Oh, how I wish I liked you. When you look at me like that, but if I'm honest, boy, you're wasting all my time. Oh, how I wish I liked you, and could look at you like that. Far from a lifetime, I do only want tonight. Then we go watch a movie at your house and have to say no more.
Okay, it's about 11 o'clock at night, and I just got the doors up. So, door up, door missing door handle. Then they have another black one. So we're ready for that one. Then I got, let me see it. I have door, then the other door. I started the framing around the door with the moldings, but just because I didn't know if I wanted to go straight across or do it like a 45-degree cuts. I think I might end up just doing straight across for the rest of them because it just works around here better. Because some of them are going to be using different size of moldings. Like this one's going to get different size moldings, but for the side of here, but that's going to be the same. So I mean, technically I could have cut it at 45 degree, but this one definitely going to be a different size. So I can't meet it at a 45. So I'm gonna just cut it because this one up there is also going to be straight across instead of 45. That's, I should have thought about it ahead of time because that would have saved me all the cuts and all the extra wood. But I'm gonna finish the framing of all the doors, then I'm gonna move to the baseboards.
When you look at me like that, but if I'm honest, boy, I'm wasting all my time. Oh, how I wish I liked you, and could look at you like that. Far from a lifetime, I'm the only one tonight. Like you.
friends and make a plan. Let's have ourselves a date. No promises or consequence. We have no time to waste. We go from London to Paris, city to state. Drive 100 miles an hour, staying out too late. Living life as a nomad, take it day by day. Cause there's no one to tell us what to do. I want the sunny days to shine a light on me. Can't let them go to waste. They feel so far away when all the sky is gray. I miss the sunny days. Don't speed ahead, relax instead. Let time show you the way. Don't complicate or hesitate. Enjoy your sunny day. We go from London to Paris, city to state. Drive 100 miles an hour, staying out too late. Living life as a nomad, take it day by day. Cause there's no one to tell us what to do. I want the sunny days to shine a light on me. Can't let them go to waste. They feel so far away when all the sky is gray. I miss the sunny days. I really do, I really do.
Okay, so I have this old table that was a dining room, like not dining room, living room coffee table. It got ruined with the kids and the paint and stuff. So, and the legs just wobbled off and just slowly broke apart. It's actual wood. I paid like $500 for this table, and I refused to just like throw it out. I mean, use it for something. So the wood is still good on top. I'm just gonna sand it, cut it. So here's mine. Let me start over. Plan is I'm gonna cut this in half. Put the half on the wall with the chairs. See chairs? It's gonna be like a half moon kind of table against the wall for the chairs. You'll see it, but plan is right now to cut it in half. Then I'll save the other half maybe for like a little desk for the kids or something. I don't know. But I refuse to waste $500. I should wear glasses, but my face is small. Should I wear glasses? Okay, I'm with my glasses. I'm with my glasses. Be right back.
My sunny days, where did you go? My sunny days, miss my sunny days, where did you go? I want the sunny days to shine a light on me. Can't let them go to waste. They feel so far away when all the sky is gray. I miss the sunny days.
I see that you want it, driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. Oh, but try to ignore it. Part of me wants to see you read between the lines, and all of the back and forth, the signals intertwine. Baby, won't you take your time with love me, love me? Your heart be falling right into mine. I don't want the rush to get the best of me, best asking for. Don't you call me Casanova.